So hi, my name is Marcel from Wildlife Consultations. We are a supportive video consulting company supporting Toshiba in terms of picture quality. So what we are demonstrating here exclusively at this show is the new 55 ZL2 autostereoscopic LCD TV. So what does that mean? Autostereoscopic means you don't need glasses for 3D anymore, which is basically exactly what everybody wants. So that you get away from the event thing to everyday 3D watching. So the perfect customer might be the early adopter, someone that is looking for the last or newest big thing in television. So this one is a 4K resolution, and out of this 4K resolution we create 9 different views to have 3D without glasses. Now what you can see in this picture here is the 3D viewing position marker. So it's tracking the faces, as you can see, and when you say, okay, I got the face, it's matching the 3D so that everybody in the room is going to have the ideal 3D position and the ideal 3D. So it's all done automatically, and you don't have to match your TV. The TV is matching you, actually. So how technology should be.
So I should move to one of those squares?
Yes, it's moving. So I can say track. I'm using the tracking. So there it goes. You can see it's now in this area would be the ideal 3D. I just can say track again, and then now it got him. So then it's just moving the 3D positions a little bit to the left or to the right, and everything who's on this line will have good 3D. If you go further back, you have to push track again, and it's tracking you further behind or further in front, so depending on where you are. And the ideal 3D position is moved from back to forth depending on where you are in the room.
How many persons can in the same time look 3D?
Enjoy 3D?
Yeah.
So actually there are 5 ideal positions. So that means that these are the real hot spots for 3D. With then 9 different views, so you can still move your head without losing the 3D too much. But I would say it's just 5 ideal spots, but there can be a lot of people still be in the room actually to enjoy the 3D.
And what about the resolution of 3D?
The resolution of 3D would be 1280 by 720, so 720p, which is like HD ready, would be per view, and in 2D mode you would have about almost 4K resolution.
Okay.
So if I go
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
backward, then I will not.
Yes, if you would all go backward, and I just...
Not all, just me. Just
Oh,
one.
this is the thing, it has to make a decision, and the guy with the remote, this is where it is actually... now,
We have to be in the same row.
you have to be there in the same row for the ideal position. It's not that someone can be here, and someone probably over there, and both have the same 3D. That's not possible. Because that would mean you have to do eye tracking, so where the people really are, and then you have to match a specific resolution for 3D, and another resolution probably for their 3D, and another one over there.
And it's not supporting.
It's not supportive because actually you need much more resolution in the screen. You need an 8K display, and even 4K is now, right now, the top of the art, what you can do in, let's say, consumer technology. So for the next generation, probably, you could do really independently, have different ideal positions, but in this case, you have to be at the same line. Yeah, basically.